Right, our first movement of Grove Park, it's 465 179. Lovely. 465 179. I've been this station since 2015. This is one of the South London stations I've ever been to. 465038 again. Oh, it's nice to see 465179 again. So, welcome to Grove Park. And hello, we have a 375. 375621. 375823. Bound for Hastings. Alright, going out now, 465 179 and 038. Started for the 1044 Southeastern service to Sevenoaks via Orpington and Pettswood. Oh, it's nice to see 465 179 again. Yeah. There's just a 375 just went to Hastings, I'm gonna be after it, but oh, for God's sake, train, for running a service, how dare you? How dare you run on that time and intervene the 375? How dare you run in front of my 465? I didn't mean it literally, folks, but there goes 465 038 179 to Sevenoaks. Come here now. It's a 375. He slowed right down. Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Well, yeah, you did. You did slow down. It's off to Charing Cross. Three 75714. Slowing down. Rochester Cathedral 375715. Why did he stop? Oh, staff, I get it. Going out now 375714 and 715. Continue on its journey to King Charing Cross. That's strange. Yeah, very strange. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 3. Right, another 375. 375629. 375925. Off to Tunbridge.
So please make sure you stay behind the yellow line and hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs.
What we're doing now, it's the 11:01 southeastern service to Charing Cross via Hither Green. Four 65161. Metro Camel at the back. Metro Camel 1 at the back. 465239. Going out 465 161 465239. I'm loving those sounds already. Lovely. And off it goes 465239. I'm here now, another 375. Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Double A, 375813. 375602. I'm here now, another 465 bound for Sevenoaks. Four 65007. Four 65050. The 1114 service to Sevenoaks. Okay, going out now 465 for 15007. Service to Sevenoaks. Coming up now. 375. Where's he off to? 375826. 375801 bound for Hastings. That's another Electrostar. Three 375606. Stuck in the red sig. 375708. Oh. 375606 and 375708 to Charing Cross. Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here. Another 375. There's a 465 coming. The Electrostar on the 465 coming. 375 902. 375 616. Oh yes. Here comes the Metcam. Oh, it's a dash 2. 465 241. And a dash 9 at the back. Oh, dash 9 at the back. Beautiful. 465 910. 465 241 and 910. Five, 241 and 910 off to Charing Cross. Wow, that was a lucky catch. Seeing a 465-9. Alright, here comes an Electrostar passing that platform 2. Stand weather away from the edge of platform 2. The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station. Fast train approaching. It's slowing down again! Oh no, it's not. I thought he is. My apologies. 375 828. 822. Charing Cross, fast from Hastings. Here we go. Here we go. A non-stop at platform 5. What? Why is there a fast on platform 5? Probably an alteration, I think. Is there another Electrostar? Yes. 375 712. Empty to depot. 375 712. Yep, 375 712 running on an empty stock. Coming up now, it's the 11:44 Southeastern service for Sevenoaks. Oh. 465 186. You're having a laugh again. 465 020, and there comes the 375. It's going to be the third one that happened earlier there. 375 715, run to Hastings. 375 714 again. My God. Oh damn. What's going on over here, for God's sake? Okay. Going out is 465, 186 and 020. 1144 to Sevenoaks. Knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. Another Electrostar again, passing at platform 2. Please stand back. The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Huh. Three 375 921. Three 375 926. I don't know why sometimes the announcements were a bit awkward. But it's another 375 anyway. Tunbridge. 375 602 again. And 813. Here comes the 1201 service to Charing Cross. 465038. Four 6five 179 again. Going out now, 465038 and 465179. The 1201 service to London Charing Cross. Nice, 465179 again. So that's Grove Park. There's 465179. Lovely. So that's Grove Park, and on that note, James Mezza